Hello guys, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the recycle bin in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need simply to go to our recycle bin from the app launcher. To do so, we need just to go here to the app launcher, and from there, you will need just to search for the recycle bin. And as you can see, we have this recycle bin item here. You can also get it to be in your navbar by click on add more items and then go to all and search for recycle bin. I'm just going to add it and I'm going to add this item to navbar and it will be here as after deletes. I'm going to click on save and now we will need to have our recycle bin after deletes. So we can click on it and then we can access our recycle bin. So as you can see, either we will have all these informations and those are some records that are already deleted. And basically, you can either start restoring some records if you would like by clicking on restore. And as you can see, the record were restored, or you can simply delete your records. And by that, you will be permanently deleting your duplicate record items. You click on OK, and that's it. Or you can simply, if you want to free some space and you want to empty totally the recycle bin, you will need just to click on this one and empty the recycle bin. So basically, this is how you will be able to access and find your recycle bin in your Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.